Well, hello everybody, and welcome back to another week of Walt's Weekly Updates. I am actually recording this in the afternoon on September 18th, Wednesday the 18th. Usually I don't tell you what day I'm recording this, but I feel like it's important because the topic we're going to talk about today, interest rates. Yes, the Fed announced today that they dropped interest rates, the federal funds rate, down 0.5%. So 50 points down, which, it was anticipated to be 25 for the longest time. And some of the recent data coming in, the jobs reports, things like that, affected it. So what does this do for mortgage rates? It's really exciting, right? And they indicated that there'll be 2 more rate cuts coming this year. So potentially, I'm thinking maybe like a 0.25 each time. So potentially we could be down 100 points by the end of this year. Now that's huge. And then anticipate another 100 points through 2025. That's what's being thrown around out there by economists right now. So by the time we get into 2026, foreseeably, we could be back in the high 4s, low 5% mortgage interest rates. Now, the federal funds rate that was cut today does not directly impact mortgage rates, but it does indirectly impact them. And what we've seen on the 30-year mortgage rate and the treasury yield, the margin is getting more steady and it's getting closer to coming together. So if this continues on this trend, we will definitely see the mortgage interest rates trending down. Now, this doesn't mean that it's going to happen tomorrow. This will take some time, but overall, it's really, really good news. And, potentially puts us back on track to get back to some of those interest rates that people, I think, are excited about. Now, I think just getting into the 5s is going to be exciting, and I think that's going to spur a lot of buyers into action and get the market stimulated again. Now, we've been getting close. We were sitting at about a 6.20 as of yesterday. I think it ticked up a little bit this morning, but we'll see what happens, over the next few days now, and see what kind of changes we get. But overall, really, really exciting news. The market, as I've said, has been just kind of stagnant. Buyers have just been lingering, and they finally just shut down. They're just like, I'm done fighting these rates and prices, because the prices, are still holding steady. They're being really stubborn, and prices are holding high, which is good for you if you're a seller, right? But if you're a buyer, it's still a roadblock in your way. So overall, things are looking good. I think it's exciting news, and I was excited once I saw that happened today. I was excited to. It definitely let me know what I was going to make this video about, and talking about the interest rates. So if you would like to discuss anything else about the real estate market here in Las Vegas, and what our predictions are. Nobody can predict what the real estate market will do, right? But I'm full of opinions, and I'm always happy to share those with you, with the disclaimer that, nobody actually really knows what will happen. But it's all looking good and very, very exciting news, and I know I'm really excited about it. So that's big news, and that's it for this week. So everyone, take care, and I will talk to you again next week. Have a good rest of your week. Have a good weekend. Cheers.